Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update close.com import and mail merging, full guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your close.com import and mail merging, log into your close.com account. Navigate to the Contacts tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Import option. Choose the file format you will be importing, such as CSV or Excel. Select the file from your computer that contains the contact information. Follow the prompts to map the columns from your file to the corresponding fields in close.com. Make sure all required fields are correctly mapped to ensure a smooth import. Once everything is set, click the Import button to upload your contacts. Wait for the system to process your import. Once the import is complete, verify that all contacts have been added by returning to the Contacts tab. Next, to set up mail merging, navigate to the Mail section of your close.com dashboard. Click on Templates to create a new email template. Use the editor to draft your email, inserting placeholders for personalized fields. These placeholders will automatically populate with information from your contacts. Save your email template once you are satisfied with the content. Return to the Mail section and select Campaigns. Create a new campaign and choose the email template you just saved. Select the contacts you wish to include in your mail merge campaign. Review all settings to ensure that everything is correctly configured. Finally, launch your mail merge campaign. Monitor the performance of your emails through close.com's analytics dashboard. Make necessary adjustments to your strategy based on the results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.